Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Shift Architect tutorial how to split level house. So for example, I will create simple house with these all tools. And next, I will add new floor. Can click in build floor and then insert new floor. Click OK. Click OK again. Now I will go into perspective view, okay, full overview. And now if you want to split this level house, we can go to 3D view again and you can click on the camera view options, use the cross section slider. You can choose like I will use in the front view, you can check at this point. You can use slider to split the house. If you done, you can click this button. Okay, that's it for a basic Shift Architect tutorial, how to split level house. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.